guys, welcome back to apputv. Today we're going to make Ganapati Pandal. So let's start. Right now we're going to cover my table with 2 of the sheets. Yay! This used to be my old tent. We're going to use it as a frame for our pandal. It fits. Now guys, we're gonna put our backdrop. For the backdrop, we're gonna put my grass. So we're done with 2 of them right now. I'm sure it looks good. Here comes the 3rd one. And we're also done with the 4th one now. Looks good. Like the video if you really like it till now. Till now we're done here. We're making our art is ready. Now we're doing all the flora. It looks really good right now. This side's completely done. Now we're doing this side. Guys, now we're done with the flora. It looks good now. Better than how it was before. Okay guys, we're done till here. And again on the floor. Wow, we're using my leaves. It looks really better right now. Honestly, I would also like to make this. And I'm making some stuff. Anyways, this looks prettier than what we're gonna put behind. So I'm expecting Ganesha to love this. Guys, now we add a lot of leaves, lights and flowers. Here are the lights. And here are the flowers. These ones are the flowers. Honestly, I did most of this part, so now we're done with the yellow curtain. We also added a bit of those leaves over here as well. And you must have noticed the light. We decided to make it here is the same pattern like over here. It looks like Ganesha is ready to arrive till the time I also put on mehendi on my own. Guys, we're done. Now we are just waiting for Ganesha. We also added our Jhumar. It looks really pretty.